Today we're talking about uric acid, what it is, why it matters, and how to manage it naturally with the power of food.
Uric acid might sound like a complicated term, but it's actually something our bodies deal with every day. So, uric acid is this natural waste product that our bodies produce when breaking down substances called purines.
Purines are found in many of the foods we eat, and even in our own cells.
Now, most of the time, our bodies do a great job of flushing out excess uric acid through our kidneys and urine, but sometimes, things can get out of whack. This can happen due to various reasons like diet, genetics, or even certain health conditions. When uric acid levels get too high, it can lead to a painful condition called gout, which is characterized by sudden and severe pain in the joints, or even increase the risk of kidney stones, which are hard deposits that form in your kidneys and can cause excruciating pain. But don't worry, we've got you covered. There are natural ways to manage and lower uric acid levels. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods that can help you naturally lower those uric acid levels and keep things running smoothly.
These foods are not only nutritious but also delicious. We're talking about delicious, easy-to-find foods that you can incorporate into your diet starting today. From cherries to leafy greens, these foods can make a big difference. Get ready to take notes, because we're about to unlock the power of nature's finest to take control of your health. Let's get started. Stay tuned and let's dive in. First up, we have the vibrant and delicious cherry. Cherries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which not only give them their beautiful red color but also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These anthocyanins work their magic by reducing inflammation and lowering uric acid levels in the body. Studies have shown that eating cherries regularly can significantly reduce the risk of gout attacks. So next time you're craving something sweet and satisfying, reach for a handful of cherries. Your body will thank you for it. Next on our list is a vegetable that often gets overlooked but packs a powerful punch when it comes to uric acid control: celery. This humble vegetable is more than just a crunchy addition to your meals. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Celery is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which helps promote healthy digestion and the elimination of waste products, including, you guessed it, uric acid. The fiber in celery aids in maintaining a healthy gut, which is crucial for overall wellness. But that's not all. Celery is also rich in antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, further contributing to lower uric acid levels. These antioxidants play a vital role in reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. So, whether you enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or even soups, or as a crunchy snack, celery can be a versatile addition to your diet. Make sure to include celery in your diet for optimal uric acid management. Its benefits are numerous, and it's an easy way to boost your health naturally. Moving on to a pantry staple with a tangy twist: apple cider vinegar. This versatile liquid has gained immense popularity for its numerous health benefits, and reducing uric acid is definitely one of them. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps to alkalize the body, meaning it helps balance pH levels. When your body's pH is balanced, it's better equipped to remove acidic waste products like uric acid. Simply add a tablespoon or two of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it before meals to reap its uric acid lowering benefits. Let's talk about berries, nature's little gems that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for managing uric acid levels. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries are loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in uric acid reduction. Vitamin C helps convert uric acid into a more soluble form, making it easier for your body to flush it out. So, indulge in a bowl of mixed berries, add them to your yogurt or smoothies, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Your taste buds and your uric acid levels will thank you. Last but not least, we have a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health-promoting properties: green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to inhibit the production of uric acid in the body. Studies have also linked green tea consumption to reduced uric acid levels and a lower risk of developing gout. So, make it a habit to sip on a cup or two of green tea throughout the day to enjoy its refreshing taste and uric acid lowering benefits. And there you have it.
5 incredible superfoods that can help you naturally lower your uric acid levels and improve your overall health. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support your body's natural detoxification processes. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to take control of your well-being. A balanced diet rich in these superfoods can make a significant difference in how you feel every day. Whether it's enjoying a handful of cherries, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, adding celery to your salads, which can help reduce uric acid levels due to its high water content, or sipping on a cup of green tea, rich in antioxidants that promote overall health, every little step counts. So, start incorporating these superfoods into your daily routine. Make them a part of your meals and snacks to see the best results. And experience the amazing benefits for yourself. You'll notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall wellness. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, as it encourages us to create more content like this. Share it with your friends and family, so they too can benefit from these health tips, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. We regularly post new videos to help you live a healthier life. Until next time, stay healthy and take care. Remember, your health is in your hands, and small changes can lead to big results.